Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study from Unacademy. First, create your free account and explore the vast course library. You'll find thousands of live and recorded classes taught by top educators across many subjects. Take some time to browse and understand the offerings. Then, choose a subscription plan that aligns with your study needs and financial considerations to unlock full access to premium content and features. To truly maximize your learning, actively participate in the interactive live classes. These sessions are perfect for asking questions and getting immediate clarification on complex topics. Don't forget to download the lecture notes and other study materials. They are invaluable for reviewing content offline. Also, engage with your educators and fellow students in the discussion forums to deepen your understanding and share insights. Consistent practice is key to success. Make sure to attempt the practice quizzes and mock tests regularly to gauge your understanding and track your progress. Pay close attention to the performance analytics provided. They will highlight your strengths and pinpoint areas where you need to focus more effort. If a topic still feels challenging, don't hesitate to revisit the recorded sessions for a thorough review and deeper comprehension. Staying motivated and organized is crucial for long-term success. Set realistic daily and weekly study goals to keep your momentum going and avoid burnout. Consider joining study groups or online communities. Peer support can be incredibly motivating and provide new perspectives. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers, plus other great deals we've found for you. Keep pushing forward, and you'll achieve your academic aspirations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.